Hello, this is Honey Hill Arts. I'm Donna, and I finally got my bath bomb press today in the mail. It's a manual one, not a pneumatic one, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. So let's see. Let's unbox it. Okay, keep some of our paperwork out for how to assemble. Here's one of the presses. Get to that in a minute. There's another one. It came with two. I believe it was 1.5 inches and a 2¼ inch one. The plunger to get it out with. It's quite heavy. Ooh. Let's see inside the box. Oh, we do have a couple of tools. Some more foam. Very heavy. The plate, and I believe that's it for that. Let's get this out of here. They actually give you quite a nice little screwdriver, Phillips head. I'm assuming this is the guide. Some bolts. Nice big washer. Don't know. A couple of Allen wrenches. And this is another steel piece. I know this is one of the handles that can press it down. This has some serious weight to it. Whoop! Oh gee, it was heavy. Retrieved. Let's put it a little more securely. Okay, let's see what it has to say. User guide and carrying instructions. So pretty much so I think I have all the things that are listed here. Okay. Contact information if we're ever interested in that. So let's see. I have a clear sheet of protective plastic on this. We'll take this off. This is solid here. Looks like. Cool. Nice name on it. So let's see, first and foremost. Okay, I was able to do some review. So we take the red cap off, the major pole that will go in, that's discarded. And if you look at the pole, one side has a little bit of a flat side, and when you look at this, it also has a flat side here. So when we put this in, make sure that when you put the shaft in, that flat side is on there. So it's got some weight to it, so I'm just going to bring it over here, put it underside. And the washer has a round-sided and a flat side. Make sure the flat side goes down, and put this in here. Then the tool that it came with it will just hook in and screw it quite tight. I'm holding it on the bottom side with my other hand. Oops. Tightening it down. My question was trying to figure out why they gave me 2 of these washers. So it screws on a second one on top to assure that this does not come out. That was kind of puzzling to me. So this is not going anywhere. And the tool bites right into these little grooves that are on there. So now we'll flip this around so it's facing you. Then on here, there's a couple of screws that use an Allen wrench. So I loosen these up a little bit. And on the back of this pole, you might be able to see it. There's been a cutout here. So this is where those screws will go into. So the name goes the correct way up. Screw down. I'm getting it level with that. And now I'm going to tighten it with my Allen wrench. I can feel it getting into that particular spot. And it's coming out about a 1/2 inch above. I'll show you that in a minute. So I don't want to tighten it too crazy tight, but enough to keep it from going anywhere. So you'll see here, it's about this high up. Now the arm, which I'm noticing has to go up. So this is the highest point. It goes in there also, and then the Allen wrench also gets used on this to tighten the handle down. So there we go. And then we get the full range on that. This plunger has also a provision here that's been allowed, so it goes right over top of this, and it keeps it secured from going anywhere. These half circle goes here. It is interchangeable up or down, and then these screws go in here. The provision has been made already. So I'll just stick it toward the most front at the moment until I figure out where I'd like to have the press set down the mold. Okay, let's try a small one. 1 piece and 2 piece. Very nice. So they're made of hardened plastic, I'd say. This is the 2 1/4 inch one. So I notice that this has a screw, and the screw is right here. So let's screw that in. There we go. Let's see how we're lined up before we do anything. So we're not lined up yet. So I'm going to just push this down. We're good. I'll set my mold where it goes. Back up. Take it out. Once I get my thing in here, let's see how will this, oh that's right, this goes in the bottom. I'm not doing something right. Oh, we'll figure it out. Oh, there it is on the bottom. It's already there. So, there we go. That would be our mold. So, works great. So here is the second one also. So I'm loving it. I'll give you a demo later on.